Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it. Welcome, wherever you are. Welcome to our Hunter channel for our daily live streaming. Welcome, everybody. Hit the like button on the way in, and let us start our trade for today. And as always, as a reminder, remember our content here always for educational purposes only, and we're not financial advisors. So always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. Welcome, everybody. So for today, we got TLIH jumping in the pre-market 60%. LRMR the same, jumping, and good news, jumping 30%. We'll see if we're gonna have a breakout from the $4. BHAT is pulling back down, breaking the trend, but still have a bit of support over the 66. VIR, it was 60% right now, 34% in the pre-market, waiting for a reversal. Yeah, VIR looking interesting here. Have a seller just came in around $11. So yeah, the main trade for today is TLIH. Yeah, one of the top gainers for today. BRTX, I think already checked it out. Let's see. I think just hit the scanner right now. Yeah, BRTX looking interesting. You have a huge buyer over the 22 cents. Now is going at least around the 27 cents and maybe toward the 30 cents. Yeah, this one it was on the top loser list. Now it's reversing. This one biotech stock, guys, had earnings yesterday, huge earnings, but there's a lot of traders just took profit on it. That's why it pulled back. Welcome, everybody. Good morning, Richie. Interesting. AMD, we have some news. AMD, let's see. What? Yeah, AMD have a huge news. Mira to buy up 60 billion of AMD A-chip. Holy baloney. This is crazy news, guys. But a lot of people sold on the news. That's why the price pulled back a bit. Yeah, we got a big seller for AMD today. Yeah, that's the seller still around 226. Yes. Yeah, it was more than that. Let's see how much we did. We did 15%. Now it's pulling back. It would be good to watch for a pullback for AMD today. Yes, around the 204 maybe. Would be great if we see more dip at the market open. Yeah, I would be interested to watch what AMD will do today. Maybe have a resistance here around the 217. And yeah, we might have a bit of support here. 213. If we broke it, we might have a dip. Another 4% because we already dipped how much? Almost 6%. Yeah, 9% without earnings, just at the news, guys. This is really interesting. You jump 15% just on the news of Meta buying or want to buy 6 billion of AMD chips. This is crazy news. Yeah, this might give us going to all-time high for AMD because at the earnings we have a pullback, a huge pullback for the earnings. I think we got some news before as well, and the price went 50%. Yeah, the news came, I think, 1 hour ago, or almost 2 hours. Yeah, we have a pullback right now for AMD, guys. I need more pullback for AMD for entry. The RTX, guys, getting strong, getting near the 27. RNG looking good for reversal, so watch out for this one, guys. This one had earnings before, jumped 34% or 37%, as you can see here. Then it pulled back yesterday, 13%. So it looked really juicy for today, reversal. Yeah, so AMD is holding tightly over the support. Remember, guys, we got a major squeezer play coming up before the market open. We're gonna disclose this ticker. So keep your eyes closed at the market open. We got interesting play for today. Coinbase, nothing much happening, brother. Yeah, Coinbase is still going down. Have another support around the 147. So we might go to today. And Bitcoin going down toward the bottom. Today we might break this support, guys, and flush down. So be careful. Look really dangerous, Bitcoin right now. We might go toward below the 60. The 60 is the current support. If we don't hold the 60, we might go toward the 50, which is psychological level to hit for Bitcoin. Yeah, we hit the 60, now is going toward the 50. Yeah, we got the 53, 48, and 40. Yeah, once we broke the trend here, it was clearly going on the bearish side. Mm. VRTX, we have a pullback. VIR looking really interesting if we held the $9.70. Yeah, it might be good to watch. Yeah, it might reverse if we held. And we got a reversal zone toward those levels. This one had earnings yesterday, guys. That's why we're watching it. Okay, VIR broke the support, so it's still going down. I will watch for another support now around $9.11. Yes, if we held there, could be good for reversal. We got PR or RPGL hitting the scan. Not good. AMD, I think it broke the support as well. We might have a lot of pullback at the market open, so be careful. Okay, watch out, guys. The market is about to open at any second. One of the stock that we should watch now. We got few stocks to watch. Okay, watch out, guys. Maya doing fantastic. This one, it is on the list for today to watch. We got BWXT jumping, Maya looking fantastic here as well. We got this one jumping, AMD pulling back, Ver pulling back, Mia. Yes, this one, guys, watch out closely. It look really fantastic for today. We have a huge jump in the pre-market around the $2.48. Watching this one closely if we're gonna have another jump. Yes, okay. So this one looking great, guys. So we got a big buyer for it around the $2.38. If we broke this level, we're gonna have a huge squeeze up toward the $3. Have a huge news coming up for today. And Maya Technology announced 1.5 million price placement. We have announcement for open market purchase by CEO moment. We got 50 billion, yeah, in the market for immunotherapy. So this one looking great. RNG looking great as well, jumping up. BWXT jumping really nicely up. RNG looking really good, guys. If we have a continuation for it toward the 36.78. AMD look really juicy for a dip reversal. I think I might be interested in the AMD as well for a reversal right now. Yeah, it might be good for a reversal. Yeah, AMD jumping. RNG jumping. Maya is holding the support. As we said, we have a huge support over the $2.06. Could be really good for another jump. This one already discussed it before, guys, if you don't know. Yeah, AMD might be good for a major reversal here toward the 217. Yeah, VIR reversal. It might happen right now. Again, we got Maya as well doing all right here. I will watch for discount support over the $2 for Maya or MAIA. TLIH, nothing much here. Yeah, didn't break the level of resistance. We got RNG still trying to go up. AMD still holding, is not decided yet to go up. Wow, we got a huge pullback for the market. ABLD pulling back, Intel pulling back, Coinbase pulling back a lot. RNG have a revenge from the short sellers yesterday. AMD might be good for reversal now. Silver is going up. So, watch out, everybody. We got phase 3 trial for Mia. Have anticipation for their new drug, so I'm watching it closely because, as everybody knows, after the good news, if we have a good news after the third trial, it means we got a lift off. After that, for FDA approval. And we got those news here. As you can see here, MIA or MAIA have a milestone, of course, for the catalyst for the 2026, which is the disease control rate, overall response rate, and progression for the phase 3 study. Have strong data could lead to early fall commercial approval. This is really interesting news for MAIA, but we didn't have the right news for it to go up yet. That's why it's still undecided right now to go over the $2.44. So this is where we're gonna confirm if we got a good phase three result after we break the $2.45 will be fantastic. And as you can see here, we already discussed Mia before on our discords before. Yeah, we did 170 percent. I think we did it last year. We did it on our unicorn hunt on our Discord, if you remember, guys. Let me just show you when we did Mia. I think it was back here. Let me just check because we always do update daily, guys. Mia, it was last year we did the update for it. Let me see where we did it. I think last year, I believe. I don't forget this name. EVTV, yes, this one that was really good play. Yes, here, 2024 December. If we go back here, we see in December, um, December was just here. You see here before the breakout. The breakout how happened around the 2026. And here, if you see, guys, we discussed Mia. We said the current price was around the 137, and right now it's around the two because we have a pullback and we have a price target for it. And we said here around the 145, we said 159, 177, and $2. And guess what? After that, we went until the $3 and we did 85%. So this play need a bit of time because this one we discussed in December, the jump happened in January, and pullback happened in February. So after 1 month, we did almost 100%. So now we waiting for another 100%, maybe this time around the four, if we held over the 170, because right now we have a huge seller around this level. We have, of course, the major anticipation for MAIA is the phase three drug development. So we still have a bit of undecision. AMD, we have pump and dump, guys, after the huge news about Mira buying 6 billion, but I don't like the reaction that happened at the market open. We don't have any buyer yet. So watch out, guys. We have a huge seller around the 216, and expect a reversal for AMD soon. If we held over this current support, the 204, we expect a huge reversal for today and at least go toward the 216 for today. RNG, it is the best candidate for today. Yeah, did really good job for reversal. This one could squeeze up, guys. This one have a huge earnings yesterday, and now it's squeezing up toward the 36.78. At least this level, if we test it, would be perfect for today. B is reversing up. We got APLD reversing. We got Coinbase. So AMD might reverse as well, guys. Watch out. We have a pullback, but yeah, AMD, we might have a huge buying pressure right now. We need another jump for RNG toward the 36. If we have this, would be perfect. Another 2% maybe. And best case scenario is going 4% up toward the 37. Wow, VIR did a really good job here for reversal. Did 6%? Are you kidding me? 6% here. Yeah, AMD maybe with reverse now. RNG still waiting for more jump here. As we said, Mia guys did a really good job today. The AMD start to reverse up. Mia start to reverse as well. Yeah, we have a big buyer over the 196. Watch out for this reversal, guys. Yeah, Mia is still jumping up, guys. Doing really good. Unbelievable. B is still jumping up. I don't believe this. It's madness. B is crazy. Yeah, this one did really good reversal. However, we got a strong seller right now around $10.36. This is might be the place that we might get shorted at again. AMD might reverse now, at least around 217. Yeah, as we said, guys, we have a huge buyer over the 196. This one looking really juicy for today. This is a long play, guys. This is a long play. As we discussed before, this one was a good play last year. It took 1 month to squeeze almost 100%. So take a bit of time. We have a bit of consolidation here because we have anticipation for the phase 3 drug. We have a big buyer over the 196. We expect another jump of 100% to double from the 2 to 4. So it look really juicy now. Yeah, AMD looking a bit shady here. Yeah, the volume is picking up for MAIA. The volume is picking up really nicely. Yeah, the selling pressure happened, I think, today before the market opened, yes. Yeah, we have a really strange strength for B. Bloom Energy, Shield Commercial Cell Shares. We got, yeah, going to all-time high again for B, guys. It's crazy strong. Okay. We have another buyer on 155.33, but I don't trust it around those levels, guys. It's too risky for me to trade this one. Yeah, silver did a really good reversal at the market open. TLH, no good, broke the support. LRMR looking really good because it's about to break. BRTX, no good. BH, this one, no good. CDU looking still great. Beyond meat, at least we have a bit of reversal. We have another one, TCGL and FGL, BVLA. No, this one light on volume. This one is still kind of dead here. Same for this one. Yeah. So yeah, Mia is going on the green side. Watch out. The volume is getting near the 1 million. Let's see how much we should do here. Yes, I think the major level to break now is around the 218 first. Yeah, we're going on the green side. We got a pullback for the markets. Huge pullback is coming. Yeah, we have a bit of action today. Not bad for the market. So I'll put alert for this one if it broke. جمال ما زال ما فطرت. ما زال الفطور ما زال ما بدأ. ما زال قريب 3 ساعات على الفطور. Bitcoin boom. What's going on with Bitcoin, guys? Boom. This is a little boom, man. Okay, Maya going on the green side finally is about to break out here. Watch out. Maya looking really fantastic right now for a huge reversal. Look at that. After 10 minutes, we did the 13% reversal, guys. Maya looking interesting. So what's going on with what's going on with Beyond Meat, guys? It's been a while. Last time we updated last week. And as we discussed before, we have a huge jump, 14%. Right now, we have another jump, 3%, and the price is consolidating and confirming my point before. We said there's a strong support and there's a buyer, and still whale is still holding the price. So in today's video, we had to discuss where the price will go from there. Before we go further, remember our content is always for educational purposes only. So let me just show you what's going on. 3% for Beyond Meat for today. Not bad, because we got near a huge bottom, which is here, 69, and the 64, which is the bottom. The good thing is we are accumulating before the bottom, which means the big buyer is still buying this dip every time. And the last two time it bought big time, it was on Wednesday, it was on Thursday last week, and here we're waiting for another buy pressure, and the fourth time hopefully we break the 82, and this is will be the mini squeeze for Beyond Meat to go at least this time toward the $1 psychological level. So one of you saying, or many of you saying, I'm giving up on Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat is dead. There's no chance. There's only one chance right now to break the 82 and go toward the $1. So if we saw the $1, would be at least a good sign that Beyond Meat is not dead yet. Because, guys, many stocks need a bit of time for a huge reversal. Let me just give you an example. One of the stocks that we discussed last year, and it took a lot of time to jump, it was barcoding here in December. It was MAIA, and the price after that jumped double from the 170 until the $3.14 in a span of 1 month. So in trading, guys, you need to be patient. And let me just show you, because we did this update on our Discord last year in December. This is one of the good trade that we waited for a few months. We did it on December, I think, and the price jumped in January. Here, December, and right there, yes, over there, yes. Mia, it was on the 10th of December. We said the price, it was around the 137, and we did the short here. The price was around the 145, and we hit the $2, and we hit the $3 actually, because we went until the $3.16. You see? So those kind of play, we always do it on our Discord and Bitcoin link comment section below. For Beyond Meat, we're gonna do the same update. Of course, if we broke the 82, even in the after hours or pre-market, we're gonna do the short update for you guys for how to play it and how to exit from the trade once we hit the $1, because right now there's still chance for another squeeze up. BRTX reversal, we'll see. Yeah, Mia is still looking great here. We have a huge wick from below and a huge wick from above, so it looked really interesting. Wow, VIR pulled back a lot here. It looked dangerous. Coinbase is still going down until today, trying to break a major seller around the 44, but it didn't succeed. APLD is still weak. B is still active. We'll wait for a pullback for B here. Wow, CDO, we have a huge seller for it. It look really dangerous now. Beyond Meat, 4%. Let us see the top gainer for today. Grand, light on volume, FGL, we got BVLA, VIR. Anyway, okay, guys, this is it for now. We're gonna discuss the market later on our Discord, especially for MAIA. It's preparing for another squeeze. So stay tuned for a major update on our Discord, guys, and Patreon. And yeah, for tomorrow, as usual, 30 minutes before the market open for another hunt. And of course, there's another opportunity. Every day, there's another chance, guys. So if you don't catch any stock, don't feel FOMO because we're going to have another day for tomorrow. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you all by tomorrow for another hunt.